Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Confirm your runtime and tools so nothing blocks you. Open the terminal, run the version check, and create a project folder. Then initialize Git if you want history. Next, add a single main file that writes a test line to console so you can iterate fast. Once done, wire a run script, npm start or .NET run, and set minimal environment variables and argument placeholders. This gets you productive immediately, without long setup detours. Now focus on how the app runs. Parse the command line arguments and validate them early so bad input never cascades. Make sure you separate a stdout and a stdir and return meaningful exit codes. This helps scripts that call your app. Structure core logic into small functions or commands to keep tests simple. Once you have logging and a main loop, add a verbose flag to toggle details. Make sure to test common paths and edge cases so the flow is both fast and predictable. Finish by packaging and testing. Write unit tests and add a CI step that builds an artifact such as a zip or package. Document usage and flags both in a README and with a help command so users don't guess. Once packaged, run integration checks on target platforms and adjust permissions or shebang lines if needed. If something breaks, check environment variables, execution path, and file permissions first. Then rerun with verbose logs to see the failing call stack, which usually
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.